In this short video, I will show you the best and most efficient way to plant cucumbers, which will provide the plants with all the necessary micro and macronutrients for healthy growth and a rich harvest. And you friends, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel because we bring you great tips for healthy vegetable growing. Let's go to the video now. The first thing you should do before planting a cucumber is to add wood ash to the soil. Wood ash is rich in calcium carbonate, which helps reduce soil acidity. Ash contains numerous essential minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium. These minerals are important for healthy plant growth, encourage flowering and fruit formation, which is key to successful cucumber cultivation. Ash can help repel certain pests, such as slugs, that can attack young cucumber plants. The next thing you can add to the hole before planting the cucumber is an eggshell. Eggshells are rich in calcium, a mineral that is essential for healthy plant growth. Calcium helps develop a strong root system and prevents problems such as fruit rot on cucumbers. By adding eggshells to the soil, plants get a stable source of this essential mineral. This will help create better conditions for their growth, improve soil fertility, and can contribute to plant health throughout the season. Dear gardeners, send this video to your friends on social networks. Thank you.